In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoho email address. Whether you're updating your contact information or just need a fresh start with a new address, I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to sign in to your Zoho account. Head over to accounts.zoho.com using your web browser. Once there, enter your current email address and password to log in. If you're having trouble remembering your credentials, try using the Forgot Password feature to recover access to your account. Once logged in, you'll be welcomed with your account dashboard. Next, let's navigate to the Profile section. You'll find this option on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on Profile and then choose Email Address from the options that appear. This will take you to the section where you can manage your email addresses associated with your Zoho account. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to add your new email address. Look for Add Email Address and give that a click. A text field will appear where you can type in your new email. Carefully enter the correct email address that you want to associate with your Zoho account. Once you're sure it's correct, click Add to proceed. An important step follows next. Verification. Zoho will send a verification code, sometimes known as an OTP or one-time password, to the new email address you've just added. Head over to your inbox for that email address and locate the email from Zoho. It typically arrives within a few minutes. Once you have it, return to the Zoho Accounts page, enter the OTP in the designated field, and click Verify. This step is crucial as it confirms that you indeed have access to the new email address. Once your new email is verified, congratulations, you're almost there. You will now see the new email address listed under your current addresses within your Zoho profile. To complete the email change process, you'll need to set the new email as your primary one. Find the option that says Set as Primary or Make Primary and click on it. This will switch your primary email to the newly added one. Remember, setting your email as primary means that it will be the main address for logging in and receiving all official communications from Zoho. That's it. You've successfully changed your Zoho email address. If at any stage you're unsure or face difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Zoho's support for more assistance. But in most cases, following these steps should work flawlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you next time.